Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Indian Head, Saskatchewan. This friendly prairie town is found in southern Saskatchewan, about 70 kilometers east of Regina along the Trans-Canada Highway. The land around here is made up of flat, open fields, small wooded areas, and gentle hills. It's a beautiful farming area known for growing wheat, canola, and other grains. The town is named after a nearby hill that was called Indian Head by early settlers because it reminded them of a profile of a person's head. Indian Head has a long history and was officially established in the 1880s when the Canadian Pacific Railway came through the area. The railway brought new settlers, and the town quickly grew as an important farming and trading spot. Today, Indian Head is known for its beautiful parks, walking trails, and friendly small town feel. Visitors can see the famous giant Indian Head statue along the highway, which welcomes travelers passing through. The town also has a strong connection to nature with peaceful spots for picnics, bird watching, and enjoying prairie sunsets. It's a proud Saskatchewan town with deep roots in farming, history, and community spirit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Indian Head, Saskatchewan.